Are you calling me old Boxycharm? That's not nice. Hey guys, so today's video is going to be my Boxycharm base box versus premium box unboxing and try on. And yeah, I don't really have much to say for this intro. Let's just get into the video because there were quite a few things that happened in this video. But I do have to say that Boxycharm kind of sent me these boxes late, even though I had to keep them. My husband's making me keep boxes like in the foyer of the house for a few days. Like we Lysol them right when they get there and we leave them there for a few days without touching them because of this whole thing that's going around. We just don't want to touch them. I'm getting this video super late, but I hope that you still want to see it. So yeah, but before I get into that, I really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. I post every other day on my channel, and I would also really appreciate you heading over to my Instagram and showing some love there because I post every single day over there, and I post really creative looks that you don't see on YouTube and just behind the scenes and that kind of thing. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look and what I got in my Boxycharm boxes, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I have both boxes here in front of me. I guess what I'm gonna do is go through both boxes and just see what I cannot use first. I think everything in the base box is stuff that I'm going to use today, so I'm going to go ahead and put this aside and just talk about what's in the premium box because I kind of already looked through there and there's some things that I probably won't be using. First thing is this IGK Good Behavior Spirulina Protein Smoothing Spray. So this is a keratin-like treatment in a can, 24-hour frizz control, 450-degree heat protection. So this is a heat protector. Ooh, I need one of those actually. I don't have one. So that's actually really awesome. I'm actually going to be filming a video probably tomorrow testing out my Dyson curling my hair. I've done like 2 videos. I want to get the most out of my Dyson, okay? So I want to try filming my curling my hair with it and see how that goes because I've never been able to curl my hair with the straightener. I don't understand. So my hair is sitting super natural today. I was gonna do it today, but I really want to get this video up today and I'm filming it today. 4:20. So yeah, anyway, I'll probably be using this in that video though, so I'll let you guys know how I feel about it like in another, or maybe I'll put it in the description box like the next day, like when I actually use it. I believe this month's theme is festival vibes, so what festival? I don't know. So this retails for $32, so that's pretty cool. Okay, I'm gonna be using that like very soon, I'm pretty sure. All right, next we have the Pharmacy Honey Potion Renewing Antioxidant Hydration Mask. Ooh, I have dry skin, so this is gonna be perfect for me. It says this intensely hydrating facial mask is blended with honey, propolis, and royal jelly. I don't know what that is, but whatever. Rich in amino acids to help revitalize, renew the look of dry skin. The balm gently warms and transforms into a nourishing cream as it is massaged into the skin, leaving a smooth, glowing complexion. Oh, it comes with a spatula. I love masks that come with a spatula. It's so cute. I want to open it and see what it looks like. Oh, it's so cute. I'm using this tonight. Oh my god, my skin has been so dry. Actually, it doesn't look so dry today, but man, I need this. This looks super cute. I will let you guys know how I like it. If I like it enough, it'll be in my April favorites probably. Oh, it's a magnet. How cute. I love this. That's so cute. That is $38. Okay, we also have the Levito Age Away Replenishing Cream. This is made with 11 innovative organic plant actives. This anti-aging solution is clinically proven to diminish the appearance of dryness, wrinkles, and rough texture while it deeply nourishes mature skin. Are you calling me old Boxycharm? That's not nice. This runs for $69. Wow, that is pricey. There's a lot of skincare in this box and I'm kind of disappointed in that. I wanted more makeup, but it's okay. I definitely love skincare. I'm a skincare junkie. I just ordered a bunch of stuff from Sephora that's skincare, so feels like there's nothing in here, to be honest. Like, yeah, this whole package for this little tiny tube. I will definitely be testing this out though. I love skincare, so that's exciting. And then we have another skincare item here. This is the Kopari Coconut Face Cream Hydrate and Nourish. I know that this is a more affordable brand, but this runs for $38. So this is a daily lightweight moisturizer packed with fatty acids to help nourish, hydrate, and strengthen the skin's protective barrier for a more youthful appearance. So they know I have dry skin clearly. Super excited to try this one out too. I already put on moisturizer though. I should have thought about this. I will definitely test these out and let you guys know exactly how I feel about them. There's 2 more things in the premium box, but I'll talk about them in a little bit. I do want to go back to the base box where we're going to be talking more about makeup, which is what we're all here for, right? So the first thing we have here are some brushes. This is the Lavish 5-piece neon eye brush collection, and this runs for $29.99. That's a pretty good deal for 5 brushes actually. That would make them like $6 a piece. They feel really good quality for sure. I like the colors, they're really pretty. So I'm gonna be using a couple of these while I do my eye makeup today, which let's just talk about that next. The eyeshadow palette that came in this month's Boxycharm is from Zoeva, and I've been dying to try the Zoeva eyeshadow formula. I've heard nothing but great things about it. So this is the, what is it called? The Blanc Fusion eyeshadow palette, and it runs for $28. I already know that this is gonna be a boring ass palette that I might end up giving away, to be quite honest. This is what it looks like. Oh my god, it's so freaking boring. It is so freaking boring. This is like not my vibe at all. But we're gonna go ahead and use it for today. I'm gonna swatch them all so you guys can see. I wanna see how the formula is. This is very cool toned, except for like a couple of shades up here. So everything is swatched really nicely, especially the shimmers are super buttery and smooth. The mattes are a little bit patchy, and I don't know, like we'll see how they perform on the eye because that's what's most important. This might be a really nice everyday palette for those of you that like neutrals, but that's just not me. So I'm probably gonna end up giving this one away to a family member. We shall see, but I'm gonna go ahead, and I already started doing my eye because I thought I was recording, but whatever. This is the shade Question of Taste. I'm taking the brush, the taper blending brush from Lavish, and we're just gonna pack that onto the crease and see. The brush feels really, really nice and soft, but I normally like smaller brushes for blending it out. I don't know, even though I have really big eyes, I just like really small brushes in my opinion. I don't know. I'm gonna take the shade Last Bite. Last Bite right here. This is the darker shade, and I'm gonna take the same brush because we're gonna use everything that came in Boxycharm. We are. Or as much as we can. And I'm gonna deepen the outer corner and take it up into the crease a little bit. So I'm gonna take a little bit more of that original shade and just kind of blend the two together, even though they're kind of mixing together. But I think I'm gonna go first in with Late Bloomer, which is this like bronzy shade. And I'm gonna put it on the outer part of my lid, but I'm gonna spray the brush. And I'm also gonna use the Lavish eye shading brush. Spray the brush. Oh yeah, that's nice. Super nice. I love that bronze. That's a really nice bronze. I don't think I like the mattes in this palette, and I've heard nothing but great things about the Zoeva formula, so that's interesting. I'm gonna take on the other side that yellowish gold, which is called Visions of Gold, just on the other side, and that's gonna go on the rest of my lid. Oh, I love that shade. That's a fun shade. Okay, but when I think festival, I think neons. Like, yeah, like the brush set for sure, but why did they send this palette? Like, this is like totally the opposite of festival. I'm gonna take a little bit of the Last Bite, which is the one that I took on the outer corner, and I'm gonna take the pencil brush and just kind of run it on my top lash line to connect like the outer corner. And I'm gonna take a little bit more of that same shade and just like blend the outer corner. Make sure everything is nice and blended. I'm like looking at this and this is totally not my vibe. We're just gonna go with it. I like the shimmers in the palette. This isn't a palette I would gravitate towards at all. I'm not a neutrals person. And if I am, it would be something like Tati Beauty's Texture Neutrals palette, because that palette has like so many different arrays of neutrals. So next up we have the Benefit the Professional Hydrating Primer. So I am so humbled to be on the Benefit PR list, and they actually sent me a welcome kit with a bunch of their products, like so many products that for days. I just haven't gotten this one yet, and I have dry skin, so I think I'm gonna like it more than the original Professional, which I have like 2 of right now. This is what the packaging looks like. It's the same packaging as the original Professional, except this is a blue instead of a teal. But let's see how it looks on my face. I'm so excited because I've been dying to try out this formula to see if I like it more than the original. It feels exactly the same as the original though. It has like a little bit of color to it. Oh, but it definitely feels different. So the original kind of pills on the skin. Like once you start rubbing it in, you feel it like flaking. Ooh, I hated that so much, especially on my dry skin. But this one feels like a cream. It feels so smooth going on. I love it so far. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put on some foundation, and I'm gonna use my trusty Dose of Colors foundation, which I love it so much. This is the Meet Your Hue foundation. This is my favorite foundation of all time at the moment. And I just want to test like a foundation that I know I like with this primer to see if I actually like the primer. By the way, the Benefit Professional Hydrate Primer runs for $32. It actually claims to instantly moisturize and refresh the skin while smoothing and minimizing the look of pores and fine lines. I definitely see my pores a little bit blurred. Yeah, for sure. I definitely think that's gonna be a new favorite primer of mine. I'm super excited. And for concealer, I'm gonna be using the Dose of Colors concealer as well because it's my absolute favorite. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do my lower lash line with the same shades I took in the crease. So I'm gonna take this shade Last Bite. That's gonna go really close to my lower lash line. This pencil brush kind of pokes me. It's really hard and difficult to work with. I have a few from Morphe and a couple from Sigma that are a little bit softer that I would recommend more than this one for sure. I'm gonna take the shade Question of Days. So we have a liquid highlighter product. This is from Iconic London. This is the Iconic London Illuminator and it runs for $41. This is a liquid shimmer that can be applied to your foundation, primer, or moisturizer, or simply used on its own for a super highlighted glow. Every drop of the super concentrated shimmer elixir glides on smoothly to bestow an ultra blendable glow. I already own this actually, but it's in storage and I'm pretty sure it is way expired because I got it like when it was really popular back in the day. Like this was popular. So I am gonna go ahead and use it. I'm pretty sure the one I have is bigger, by the way. Unless they change the packaging, I'm not sure. I wanna use it today. This one's so pretty. I do remember loving this. I think they have a couple shades, but this is the original glow. I'm just gonna apply it directly onto my cheekbones and blend it out with my fingers because that's what I used to do and I remember just like loving it. Like places that I would normally highlight is where I would put this. You can definitely mix it in with your foundation, which I've done as well if you want that really nice glow. But look at that, that is so pretty. Like I super highly recommend this product. This is such a great product. It makes you look luminous and dewy but not oily or greasy. And I feel like this shade would work for like a lot of people. All right, I'm gonna quickly do my bronzer, my blush. Okay, and there's only 2 products left and they came from the premium box. And the first is a mascara. This is the Wander Beauty Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara. And this is $26. And one swipe is all you need for sky high lashes with this volumizing and lengthening mascara. Precise bristles grab and coat every lash for a flirty fanned out effect, while jet black pigment intensely saturates. Smudge proof, flake proof, and water resistant for all day wear. I'm really picky about my mascaras, so picky because I get allergies really badly in my eyes, so I'm scared. But we're gonna do this. Oh wait, you know what? I realized while I was doing my other makeup that I forgot to highlight the inner corners of my eye. So I'm gonna take the shade Noble. And we're gonna use that. Okay, that's a nice inner corner highlight. Wow. Okay. Oh wait, I forgot one thing in my base box. Hold on, I'm all over the place. I'm so sorry, guys. This is the Baddington Lashes Harlow 3D Silk with a mini glue. This is $31, so it has dramatic length and volume, and it comes with the glue. So that's really nice. It's like a all-in-one kit. To be honest, these are not my style of lashes at all. I'm gonna be giving this away, I think, to one of you guys. At the end of the month, I'm gonna do like kind of like a PR like sweep. I just have to remember to do it. I was supposed to do it for March, but I forgot. So stay tuned for that one. All right, let's go ahead and test out this mascara. I'm scared, guys. It's in a tube form, so it's like so different than what I'm used to. It makes me wonder if the packaging is better that way because like you can squeeze out every last drop that's in here, like when you're running out, you know. So this is the wand. I'm gonna show you now. The wand is really long and thin. Not a lot of product comes out on it, which is good. That means the packaging is really good. So we're gonna see. I'm not gonna put on falsies today, so you guys can see how the mascara looks on its own. I really should have curled my lashes before this. Holy crap, why am I forgetting steps in my makeup routine? In all honesty, I actually really like this mascara. I don't think it like lengthens as much as it volumizes and separates, like if that makes sense. No, it doesn't volumize either. It really just separates your lashes. I feel like my lashes have died over the years of like so many years of wearing false lashes, but I really think that my Benefit Bad Gal Bang does a little bit better job of like lengthening, separating, volumizing, all of the above. This one, like, yeah, my lashes look good. It's an okay mascara. Probably wouldn't pay $26 for this mascara like if it hadn't come in my Boxycharm, you know? That's just me. All right, and the last thing in all of the boxes is the Nude Sticks Magnetic Lip Plush Paints. This is $28, and this is luxurious soft nudes in a featherlight, blurring, matte, velvety texture that is non-drying and long-wearing, presented in monochromatic tones. So this is the shade Waikiki Rose. All right then. So this is the packaging. This is the wand. Not a lot of product comes out on the wand. What do you call this? On the applicator, I guess. But let's see. This is a nice color. No, it's not a nice color. It's a nicer color in the tube. It's a little bit darker in the tube. Wow, that washes me out. That makes me look weird. Oh no, I don't like this color. Oh, I wish I hadn't opened it. Okay, the color kind of grew on me. It might be a nice spring and summer shade. I don't know, what do you guys think? Does it look good on me? I don't think it looks good on me. It does feel really comfortable though. It hasn't dried down. Matte velvety texture. How can you be matte and velvety? That's what I don't get. You're either matte or velvety, so that's interesting. I don't know. I'm gonna do some math and I'll be right back. Let's see how much each thing was worth. Okay, so the total retail value of the premium box was $231. I feel like I've had it a little bit higher in the past. Not like too happy with so much skincare in one box. Like literally so much skincare came in premium. So the total retail value for the base box is $162, which I think is pretty standard actually. There were quite a few disappointments in this box. I'm honestly like probably gonna give Boxycharm a few more chances. I mean, there's only so many chances I can get. They've just been really disappointing me lately. I'm like on the verge of canceling. I don't know, that's just me. Let me know what you guys think about Boxycharm. Are you happy with your Boxycharm products? Are you subscribed to Boxycharm? If you want to check out Boxycharm for yourself, I will have my referral link in the description where you will get a little bit of a discount for your first month. And yeah, so that completes this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, even though I was so disappointed. I'm kind of a negative Nancy in this video, to be honest. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me out so much, and I really appreciate it. And I will also really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button before you leave, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.